So as you can see on the Sony ZV1, on the screen you can see black flickering lines. Now this is being caused because of the shutter speed, which is this one. So what we have to do, click bottom, then bottom again. You can see now it's highlighted in orange. Click, and now you can move the wheel left or right, and you want to bring that down to double your frame rate. So my frame rate is 24 frames per second, so my shutter speed should be at 48 or 50. The flickering has gone, so I'll just show you again. All you have to do is just reduce it to double your frame rate, and that's it.